Hello and welcome. In Chrome, you have this annoying thing, me or you. It has your profile picture, which is such a privacy issue, especially if you make videos on your computer. And you can't get rid of it apparently, unless you sign out, which of course means you sign out of Gmail and stuff. But thankfully there is a setting. It's not in Manage People. I mean, we can go there, but this is not it. We can click you, but it just brings us back here. So what we can do is we can press the menu icon and then we go to settings. And in settings, I'm just going to search for allow. And here it is, allow Chrome sign in. You cannot find it using profile or icon. Yeah, it's not here. Or what else to call this? Avatar or picture. Well, Chrome name and picture. No, that's also not it. So indeed you have to search for sign in and disable this. Alright, and now you have to relaunch Chrome. And it's gone! You have your privacy back. People looking over your shoulder cannot immediately identify your profile picture on every website. So good. So this is how you get rid of this. Hope this is useful to you. Give this video a thumbs up if it was. Let me know in the comments if it was. It was driving me so mad. I switched to Firefox for a while actually. I was so furious when they introduced that feature. I am so glad it's so easy to disable. Hope you're happy now too. Enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!